Okay, a quick tutorial here. What we're going to try and figure out or fix inside this video is basically fixing collections, meta descriptions, and URL endings, especially if you've also been caught up, like in this instance with this customer, they've been duplicating previous or existing collections. So what happens then is you copying all the previous nonsense with the existing collection to your new collection, and if you don't change it, it doesn't change. So you will probably have duplicates showing inside Google. How to fix this? We inside the collections tab, and what we're going to do is they've got a lot of collections here for different products, so you'd select all of them and then click bulk edit. Once you've hit bulk edit, you'll be opened to a tab similar to this. Now the columns is where you're going to play to figure out what you actually want to look at. There's going to be some here that are going to be open for you that are not open for mine right now, but these are the three you basically want to make sure that they're on. Okay, once they are on, you can see we are greeted here from the left side with the title of the product as it would be seen on the product page, to the title or page title for SEO purposes, and then you got meta description, and as you can see there is none. There's literally just one product here that has one that I found. And then here on the right, far right, we have the URL for that collection. So what would happen if you copy or duplicate collections, you would end up having a different title to speak to a different collection, but what might happen is this will be the same and this might stay the same. So for instance, if this was all special offer, what might happen is you duplicate it and you want to talk about silences or scopes, and then what happens is your URL still ends with special offers, or your meta description still speaks about special offers, which would be incorrect according to SEO. So you can always just fix it up here, which is nice. It's a very easy to use table format for you to do, and you just click into each one, go and put your description in there. As you can see, it's still got a character max of 320 for meta descriptions, and then obviously you don't want to make your URL tails very long, so keep it to the point and obviously matching towards your title of the actual collection. The reasoning why I found this is because we had, with this customer particularly, a rule. So when you create a collection, you have something called rules and conditions. If I go back now for opening one of the collections that I can show you quickly, let's just do this Black Friday collection that they've got here. If you see, you've got collection type, which makes conditions and rules for your products. All the conditions and rules are set to a very similar format. So majority of these collections inside this client's Shopify are displaying compare at price greater than 0 and equal to inventory 0 and so on. The problem having every single collection or most of your collections having the same, as you can see, most of them having the similar or same rules means that it's going to cross-pollinate a lot of products, which is unnecessary and confusing, because if you go on your Shopify site and all of a sudden you see scopes when they're supposed to be silencers, or air rifles when they're supposed to be bullets or ammunition, then it's just going to be a little bit confusing. And I'm talking in terms now with this specific customer's lingo, so use it as you wish. But the whole point is I tried to find a way that was quicker to do that. I couldn't find one. Unfortunately, when it comes to the rules, it seems like you have to individually open every single condition from every single collection and then change them inside. Now, how that might be helpful to you is, for example, we're looking at a Black Friday collection here. So obviously a lot of Black Friday deals are going to pop up in this one and update regularly every year. But they don't even have one product matching condition here that talks about Black Friday. Now, in my experience, I always like to use whatever the collection's name is or the title of the collection. I try and match the condition or the rule that I put at the bottom here as a text-based condition. Whether this is good or not, I don't know, but it's served me well and all my customers that I've got. So I use a text-based one where I say must match X. So if it's a Black Friday, I make sure it matches Black Friday specials or Black Friday or BC or BFCM. Yeah, that's the short one. Then that will all collect the products if they are assigned with that tag then that tag will pull them automatically into the Black Friday catalog or the Black Friday collection, as you see here. So how you do that is basically I would delete these ones out of here, and we would say product tag, not any of the others. I would use a product tag, excuse me, and is equal to, and I would say BFCM for Black Friday, Cyber Monday in short. Now, the moment any of these products inside this collection here get tagged with that tag, it will automatically pull them in here, as you can see at the bottom. Then you just hit save and you go on. I'm not going to do it for this specific collection because we're still busy working on a few other things, so I'm going to discard it for the purpose of this video. But there you have it. It's a very short tutorial. I just wanted to show you how you can easily change your meta descriptions, URLs inside the collections. It was really helpful for me because now I get a quick overview of every single collection and I can do all of it in one panel instead of opening each one, changing it, and then going back and change it, getting the next one open and going in. You know what I mean. It's quite frustrating. But there you have it. Thanks. Have a great day.